Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the recombination and generation of carriers inside the semiconductors. So recombination and generation of carriers inside the semiconductors. So in this case we have to memorize the previous topic, that is the bond model. In the bond model we have seen that there are some parallel lines and there are some perpendicular parallel lines. So at every cross point there were silicon atoms, every cross point. Now if we give the temperature to this device, that is if we increase the temperature of this semiconductor, then one of the bond will be broken in this way. So in this broken bond there was an electron, and this electron will come outside of this bond and become a free electron. So this is our free electron, and in the place of free electron here we have created a hole. So a electron and the hole pair has been created. So this process is called the electron hole pair generation. In short, we can say that it is a EHP, or electron hole pair generation. So this is the generation process of electron and holes simultaneously at some time. Now after the generation of carriers, the free electrons will tend to move inside the semiconductors. During this movement, what happens? This free electron can encounter a hole and sit in the place of hole. Then we say that the hole is occupied. So this process is called the recombination process, where the electron will take place the position of the holes and it will occupy the holes. So this is called the recombination process, that is a hole will be occupied by an free electron. Now the time interval between the generation of carriers that is the generation of electrons and holes and the recombination of the carriers is called the carrier lifetime. That means the time instant when the carriers are generated and the time instant when they are recombined or dead, the time interval is called the carrier lifetime. So in a semiconductor we know there will be various amount of carriers, that is a huge amount of carriers. So every carriers will have their own lifetime. So the carrier lifetime of a semiconductor is defined by the average carrier lifetime of all the carriers present inside the semiconductor. So, this is all about the generation and recombination of carriers inside the semiconductors. Thank you.